All right, so today's lesson is on operations of polynomials. We are going to simplify polynomials by adding and subtracting them. To simplify polynomial expressions, the first thing you want to do with addition and subtraction is to get rid of your parentheses. So in order to get rid of the parentheses, what we need to do in this problem here is take this negative and distribute it inside this parenthesis. So what that gives us is 2a cubed plus 5a minus 7 minus a cubed plus 3a minus 2. Now we're going to group like terms. So I'm going to group the a cubed to the a cubed, the a's to the a's, and the numbers to the numbers. So that gives me 2a cubed minus a cubed plus 5a plus 3a minus 7 minus 2. So that leaves a cubed plus 8a minus 9 once we combine like terms. Same idea, but this time it is a plus sign between the parentheses. When you have a plus sign between the parentheses, we simply drop the parentheses. So we're going to rewrite the problem exactly as it was above. 4x squared minus 9x plus 3 plus negative 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. Then we're going to group together the x squareds, the x's, and the numbers. So you have 4x squared minus 2x squared, so that gives you 2x squared. Negative 9 and negative 5 gives you negative 14, and positive 3 and negative 6 gives negative 3. Okay, once again, we have a negative between our two sets of problems. So in order to simplify, we're going to take that negative and distribute it inside. So you get 3x squared plus 2x minus 3 minus 4x squared minus x plus 5. And again, you can see in red the change of the signs. Then we're going to group the terms that are like together. So you have 3x squared minus 4x squared plus 2x minus x minus 3 plus 5. And that leaves you with negative x squared plus x plus 2. Okay, and then on the last one, once again, I have 6 terms. I have 2 in parentheses. I need to take the negative and distribute it into both sets of, to the second set of parentheses. So that leaves negative 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 minus 4x squared minus x plus 5. We're going to group together the like terms. So you have negative 3x squared, negative 4x squared, minus 4x minus x plus 1 plus 5. And then you get negative 7x squared minus 5x plus 6. And that is how you simplify polynomial expressions with like terms.